Avas Flowers reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking to send flowers for a special occasion, Avas Flowers might be on your radar, but most people get this wrong by assuming pricing is uniform or that all bouquets are the same quality. The surprising truth is that costs depend on flower type, arrangement size, and delivery options. Standard bouquets typically range from, while premium arrangements with exotic flowers or same-day delivery can go up to or more. Seasonal demand, such as Valentine's Day or Mother's Day, can increase prices, while subscription plans offer discounts for regular deliveries. What you get: professionally arranged flowers, optional add-ons like chocolates or cards, and scheduled delivery with tracking. What you give up: delivery fees, higher costs during peak seasons, and the commitment required for subscription plans. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare bouquet sizes and flower types to fit your budget. Step 2. Check for seasonal discounts or promo codes. Step 3. Schedule deliveries ahead of time to avoid last-minute price surges. Step 4. Read delivery and return policies to avoid unexpected fees. You won't believe what happens next if you skip planning. Orders during high-demand periods may cost double, and you might get limited flower options. The surprising truth is that Avas Flowers provides convenience and quality, but smart planning is key to getting the most value. In conclusion, Avas Flowers offers beautiful arrangements with flexible pricing. By considering bouquet options, delivery timing, and promotions, you can enjoy fresh flowers while getting great value for your money.